So you're pruning them flowers?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is spring, so better to prune them, isn't it? Do you usually do it every spring?
Twice a year.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, twice a year.
The flowers are looking nice and bright. They're coming up. I just can't wait to see the creeper on the wall. How it looks like when it's all blossomed, you know?
Wisteria is called.
Wisteria. Okay. All done?
All done. We do that other one over there now, please.
All right, let's do it.
You can do it for me because I can. I give this to Ben Pogel, kindled like a fire.
For making the fire in the bushes. Which one? This one here?
Yeah.
He made me laugh.
Can you
Yeah, let's.
look at this?
There you go.
Thank you.
So with old age, I think the joints get very stiff, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I hear,
I beg your pardon?
can I hear a tractor?
Yeah, far out on the road over there. One of those big, massive tractors.
Prince, I can't reach our pencil.
Okay.